Hello everyone, welcome to EdiTalks by Harshita. Today we will discuss a very important topic with respect to the B.Ed examination, CTET examination or any other teaching examination, and the topic that we will discuss today, that will be University Education Commission. So we will study here that what all is this commission all about, why is it, what were its main recommendation, and why is it that important that we are even studying it right now. Okay, so first talking about the University Education Commission. This commission was passed in 1948 and it is also called Radha Krishnan Commission. This is one of the important fact that we need to remember here. This commission is called Radha Krishnan. Right after independence, this commission was passed, and this commission is also called Radha Krishnan Commission because the chairman of this commission was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was also one of the president of India. Apart from this, its major recommendation was that it was the major focus of this commission was the university or the higher education. This is the foremost thing that we have to remember about the Radha Krishnan Commission, that it is also called University Education Commission, and its major emphasis was on university education to improve the quality of university education in India. Right after independence, this was the first commission that was being passed by the Indian government, and apart from that, in my continuing videos we will study that about the other commissions also that were being passed out, but this was the first and the foremost commission that was being passed by the Indian government after independence. Radha Krishnan Commission, it is called University Education Commission, and it was mainly to improve the higher education in India. And now if we talk about its major recommendation, so the first and the foremost recommendation of this commission was the 3-year integrated degree. Even today we know that we have a 3-year integrated degree if we talk about a university education. Okay, because the main emphasis of the University Education Commission was to make the education more structured, more organized. So it talked about a 3-year integrated degree. Apart from that, it also declared UGC as one of the body that would regulate, that would look at the standards of the university education. Today also, UGC is a body that looks after the university education. It makes the rules, it makes the regulations relating to the university education. So this University Education Commission only created the body called UGC. Third, apart from the intellectual education, its other emphasis was on moral and ethical education. It says that according to this University Education Commission, it said that intellectual education is okay, it's good, it is there, but apart from that, there should be the moral and character education of the. There should be moral and character education of the individual. Okay, apart from that, it talked about the teachers also. It said that there should be qualified teachers, trained teachers. The teachers should get the better salary, who are especially at the university level. So it talked about the trained teachers, better salary for the teachers. Along with that, one of its major recommendation was research and innovation in the higher education. It says that the university education especially should follow new practices. They should have new techniques. They should be practiced, and innovative methods should be used. Okay, so these were the major recommendation of the University Education Commission. this is the foremost commission, first commission that was being passed after independence. There were various other commissions also which were being passed after that, but you'll have to stay tuned with me to know and to understand which were the other commissions. And why is this commission important? Because it laid the foundation of the higher education in India. Even today, the University Education Commission, it you know, it's relevant. You can, as we can all see, UGC is still there, research and innovation is still there, 3-year integrated degree is still there. So it actually laid the foundation of higher education that we have in India today. Hope you must have. Now with this, we come towards the end of this video, as the topic that we had for today was University Education Commission. And if this thing helped you, or you know, helped you in any of the way, or if you want me to make more videos regarding the other commissions or other educational videos regarding that, then stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.